Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to bypass copyright claims on TikTok. The best way is using the in-app copyright check tool on TikTok. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile page by tapping on the profile at the bottom. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, and from the menu, tap on TikTok Studio to open the Creator Tools. In TikTok Studio, tap the settings gear icon located in the top left corner and look for the option labeled Video Sound Copyright Check, because most of the copyright comes from the sound. Make sure this setting is toggled on. Once you enable this feature, TikTok will automatically check the music in your videos when you upload new content. If the track you use violates copyright, you'll be notified, helping you to avoid potential issues. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.